My ass woke up one morning with audacity. The audacity to think that I could reupholster a whole ass couch. Had I reupholstered anything before? No. Knowing what I know now, would I do it again? Abso-fucking-lutely not. But my dumbass still went through with it. I winged the whole thing, and this is how it turned out. So I fused the two cushions together that came with the love seat, like with some foam adhesive spray and my small patience. I eyeball cut all of my fabric because nobody's perfect, so why do I have to be? This is where I learned that when you run stretchy fabric through a sewing machine, even with pins, it will want to stretch out, like the waistband of my jeans when I eat too much pasta. Totally didn't feel myself upholstering that part, but cute. That is Spooky. She's objectively the cutest. Nail gun ASMR. I don't really know if that counts as ASMR, but oh well. These are the little front pieces that go in the arms of the chair. This was a fun part for me because I could hammer it in. I gave it some good smocks as well. And oh my gosh, look how pretty. Both of them are done. I gave it some little skirts to hide that little nasty bit. And I was so excited because this was the last step and my idea was working. My brain was so dead and numb at this point. But I did it. I reupholstered a whole ass couch. And then I went to the bathroom, came back, and found my doggy on it. It was worth the hundreds of staples, the hours of work, and the blisters that I got on my hands from the staple gun. Ignore the green pills. I'm eventually going to recover. But honestly, I still can't believe that